What if humans stopped aging completely?
What if the human body never grew older?
No wrinkles. No physical decline.
Age-related diseases begin to disappear.
Cells no longer break down over time.
Time continues, but bodies do not change.
The population begins to grow rapidly.
Earth starts to feel smaller. Generations become impossible to distinguish.
Education systems collapse under endless demand.
No one ever retires.
The global economy is permanently strained.
Living space becomes a luxury.
Feeding humanity becomes a daily struggle.
Nature begins to lose ground.
Mental health becomes the real crisis.
Love was never designed to last forever.
The hours blend together, and slowly, quietly, the purpose of it all begins to fade.
Death once gave life meaning. Human belief systems begin to collapse. Society was never built for immortality.
Prisons overcrowded indefinitely. Long sentences lose meaning. Justice systems break down.
Expansion becomes the only option.
Humanity searches for new worlds.
Earth reaches its limit. Immortality is not eternal happiness.
The greatest question remains unanswered.
How long can a mind endure forever? Living forever comes at a cost. Sometimes, mortality is what makes life valuable.